Next I will show you how to use the kitchen display screens on the POS system. We open table 12. First we order several products. We start with a hot starter and a cold starter without any extras. Then we add another hot main and take another salad and change it into a main as well. Then we add some desserts and our order is complete. So we click on order. The order is immediately sent to the kitchen and it will be displayed on the screens. Via the menu, we navigate to the screens. I'm going to select the cold screen first. If you want to change the screen, then you can use this button to see all the different screens and go to a different screen. So right now on table 12, for the first course and starters, we can see that the carpaccio salad was ordered. If we go to the warm screen, we can see that the chicken soup was ordered. If I start the ticket on the hot screen, and then go to the cold screen, then on the cold screen you will see that the warm kitchen has started. They're working on the chicken soup. Well, that's our cue to start with the salad as well. So we will start the salad, and if we now go back to the warm screen, then we'll see the cold kitchen has started as well. Let's check the server screen. So right now on the server side of things, so at the end of the kitchen, they will see that these products are coming up, but they can't do anything with the products yet. The only thing they need to worry about is when they see products lighting up in yellow on the screen. That means they have to work on them after this one. So I go back to the cold screen. I finish this one and then go back to the server screen, then the server will see that the carpaccio salad is waiting to be picked up. The server can either wait for the warm kitchen to be finished or just take the carpaccio salad and then wait until at some point the warm kitchen is finished with the chicken soup. We go back to the server screen, check off the soup and the ticket is passed. So while the guests are eating their course, the ticket will be here in the pause screen. If someone walks into the kitchen and tells the chef that table 12 can have their next course, then the chef can go into the pause screen, press the play button, and then the ticket will be reopened. I'm not going to do that now because I want to show you a different way of starting the ticket. What the server can do, they can go back to the floor plan, open table 12, and look at the course overview. Then they can see that the starter course has been started, that these tickets have been finished, and that the main course is now up. So instead of walking into the kitchen, they can press next, and the main course will be started. If you go back to the production screen, there won't be anything on the server screen yet because first the kitchen needs to start the ticket before the server will see it. So we will go to the cold kitchen. We see that the tuna salad has been requested. We can start it here, and we can press again on the tuna salad, but what we can also do is press on the course or on our production area to finish that part of the ticket. Let's say we made a mistake, then we can use the back button to revert it, and then we have to start over again. We can finish it again. Right now, if you go to the server screen, then you will see that the warm kitchen hasn't even started yet, but the cold kitchen has already created the dish. If you want, you can take it away, but it's better to inform the warm kitchen that still something needs to be made. And the warm kitchen, now where it's switched to start, finish their product, and now again, the server can take both items. Take both items and finish the ticket. Another important thing to show you is that our table 12 still did not get their desserts, so they're continuously shown here in the list view. The ticket view is usually what you work from as a chef, but the list view is also quite useful because it tells you what's coming up later. For instance, in the dessert course that still hasn't started on table 12. You can also see here that 2 Caesar salads have been requested, but you haven't started working on one of them, and you didn't complete any one of them. So let's say this is what has been requested from the floor. If I press start here, then you see you're working on one at this time, and if you finish it, then you see one has been sent to the server screen for pickup. If you then start the other one, then it will say 1 and 1, so this way you always have a total view of what you're working on. What you gave out to the server screen, and what will come later in the evening, so you can already maybe prepare a couple of those desserts. If I finish this one as well, then the server screen will see those 2 tickets over there with the done products. And for them, the 2 isn't over here, it's over here because they still need to do something with it. It's yellow. So like that, they're looking at the next stage of the product.